Good morning, students. Okay, today is discuss about differential equations with variation of parameter method. Okay, the problem is solve d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 12 e power x by using the method of variation of parameter. Okay, in this method, your method is what? Variation of parameter. Above problem is solved. Okay, solution. The method is what? Variation of parameter. Okay, the given differential equation. Given differential equation is d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 12 e power x. Put equation 1. Put equation 1. Above equation comparing f of d into y equal to r. F of d into y equal to r, equation 2. Okay, here we get to what? We get to f of d equal to d square plus 2d plus 1. Put equation 3. And r equal to 12 e power x. Here 4. Okay. Next, first we find complementary function. First we find complementary function. Okay, the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. The auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. Okay, continue. You know this 3 equation is d square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0 na? D square plus 2d plus 1 equal to 0 na? Here f of m equal to what? 0. In the terms of d terms goes to, you write m terms to m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. M square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. This goes to how to write? M plus 1 whole square equal to 0. M plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Here m plus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. You know this goes to ab equal to 0. A equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Okay, m plus 1 equal to 0 now. M equal to minus 1. Here m equal to minus 1. Here also, therefore the roots are m equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. Roots are real numbers and equal. Therefore the complementary function of equation 1 is that is yc c1 e power minus x plus c2 x e power minus x. c2 x e power minus x. You put equation fifth. Okay, by using this problem, variation of parameter. This problem is using. Okay, next to find out particular integral. Next to we find particular integral. Okay, this method you do this generally we find particular integral yp equal to, that is yp equal to q by f of d. Here mentioned the method is what? Variation of parameter. in this method, parameter. Okay, in this method, you find capital A value and also capital B value. Capital A value and capital B value. You know, these two values goes to formulas is there. Okay, our A value is integration of minus VR by UV dash minus U dash V, and B is into dx, into dx. B is equal to integrating of UR by UV dash minus U dash V into dx. Here two formulas is there, very important. These formulas is remember. Okay. You know, in this method parameter, you first assume particular integral of equation 1 is equation 1 is yp equal to au plus bv, au plus bv. Okay, now here fifth equation what? Here fifth equation what? Yc equal to, here yc equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 x e power minus x is there. Here this goes to fifth equation, here goes to sixth equation. About two equation comparing, what we get? Yc here, yp same as here, c1 constant, here also a constant. Here a comma b are constants, okay. Here also c1 comma c2 are constants, okay. Here c1, here a, here u mean here e power, that is u equal to, therefore u equal to e power minus x, and v equal to here v equal to b multiply here c2 multiply x e power minus x, e power minus x. Here you derivation of u mean u1 or u dash, whatever will be the right to u dash mean derivation of u e power minus x, again minus x derivation minus 1. Okay, here v dash is nothing but derivation of v with respect to x. Here uv method, you know, here uv method, u mean x and v mean e power minus x. You put x is same as you write, and derivation of e power minus x minus e power minus x, plus, you know, x derivation is 1, e power minus x is same, you write same. Here how to write? This goes to x e power minus x plus e power minus x. Here putting equation whatever will be there, here 6, here 6, here 6, here 7, here 8, here 9. Okay, our formula is there what? uv dash minus u dash v equal to uv dash minus u dash v. Okay, here this goes to this multiplier, this, okay, e power minus x into v dash minus x e power minus x plus e power minus x, e power minus x plus e power minus x minus u dash minus of e power minus x, okay, and again v x e power minus x, e power minus x. Okay, simplification. Okay, e power here minus x e power minus x minus 2x, e power minus x e power minus x e power minus 2x plus e power minus x e power minus x e power minus 2x. Here minus into minus plus x e power minus 2x, e power minus 2x. Here minus term, here plus term, this two terms cancel. Remaining is what? E power minus 2x. Okay, e power minus 2x. Okay, therefore uv dash minus u dash v equal to what we get? E power minus 2x. E power minus 2x. This goes to equation 10th equation. Okay. Next, you know, capital A value formula is there. What formula? A value is formula is what? A equal to minus integrating of VR by u v dash minus u dash v into dx into dx. Okay. Okay. Continuous step is equal to minus integrating of v. You know, in this equation previous is there v equal to what? X e power minus x and r. You know, previous equation given differential equation d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 12 e power x na, 12 e power x by u v dash minus u dash v equal to equation 10 to e power minus 2x. Okay, equal minus integrating up. Here 12 is common constant. Here x e power minus x e power x get cancelled. E power 0 by e power minus 2x. Okay, here minus 12 into dx. Okay, integrating up here x into here e power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 into e power 1 by e power minus 2x na, e power you write minus 2x, e power minus 2x into dx. Okay, is equal to next continuous step. Okay, a equal to, our a value equal to minus 12 into integrating of x e power minus 2x dx. You know, this goes to one formula. What formula? One formula is there. You know, this goes to v. You know, this goes to u. This goes to v. Integration of uv equal to uv dash minus integrating of u1 v dash. Here dash mean integrating, u1 mean derivation. u1 means derivation into dx. Here this goes to our formula is very important for formula. Here same as you write, here u goes to x and v goes to e power minus 2x. Is this formula using? Okay, equal to minus 12 into u mean x into v dash mean integrating of e power minus 2x by minus 2, e power minus 2x by again minus 2x derivation you write denominator minus 2 minus this goes to you write bracket minus. Okay, next to integrating of u1 derivation of x 1 into again same this bracket same you write e power minus 2x by minus 2 bracket. Okay, close into dx. Okay, continuous step. E minus 12 into x, here minus 2 is there, minus x e power minus 2x by 2 minus, here minus into minus plus 1 by 2 you take common, integrating up e power minus 2x into dx. Okay, here minus here 2. Okay, right, 12 into minus x e power minus 2x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into again integrating of e power minus 2x by minus 2. Okay, is equal to minus 12 into minus x e power minus 2x by 2. Here 2 to the 4 minus 1 by 4 into e power minus 2x minus 2x. Okay, I will take totally e power minus 2x common, and also minus I will take common, and also 2 common I will take. LCM of 4 I will take common. Okay, minus 12 by minus 4 I will take common. Minus 12 by minus 4 I will take common also. E power minus 2x common. Okay, okay. Here minus into minus plus, here minus into minus plus. Here minus 2x minus e power minus 2x common. Okay. Here x is there, remaining term is there. X. Here 2. I will take common 4. 2 multiply. 2 multiply plus. Plus. Here 1 by 4 common, e power minus 2x common. Again 1 you write. Here minus minus get cancelled. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. 3 into 2x plus 1 into e power minus 2x. This goes to a value. This goes to a value. What a value? 3 into 2x plus 1 into e power minus 2x. Okay, this goes to putting 11th equation. Okay, and again same as similarly we find b value. B equal to our formula is what? U r by u v dash minus u dash v into dx. Here dash means derivation. Okay, integration b equal to integrating of u mean e power minus x, e power minus x, e power minus x into u or 12 e power x by 12 e power x by, here you know 10th formula, e power minus 2x, e power minus 2x. Okay, same here, this goes to cancel. 12 I will take common, integrating 1 by here dx you write. Okay, 1 by e power minus 2x na up to e power 2x dx, e power dx 2x. Okay, 12 into integrating of e power 2x, e power 2x by 2, e power 2x by 2. Okay, this goes to 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. Therefore b value equal to, b equal to 6 e power 2x equal to equation 12th. Therefore our particular integral, therefore the particular integral of equation 1 is yp equal to au plus bv na, au plus bv. You know a value is here 3 into 2x plus 1 into e power minus 2x into u mean e power minus x, u mean e power minus x, plus b value is 6 e power 2x, 6 e power 2x into v goes to x e power minus x, x e power minus x. Okay, simplification. Here e power minus x, e power minus x, 3 into 2x plus 1 into e power minus 3x plus here 6x e power here x, 6x e power x, e power 2x e power minus x, e power plus x. Okay, this goes to yp, Therefore the general solution of equation 1 is y equal to yc plus yp, y equal to yc plus yp. This problem is very important and easy. You do careful. Exam purpose is very very important. Okay, therefore y equal to yc c1 e power minus x plus c2 x e power minus x. This goes to yc plus yp is 3 into 2x plus 1 into e